Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of a video in the Playwright for JavaScript series. In this video, we are going to see how to handle pop-up, that is dialog, right, which is coming in a web application. Okay, so normally we used to handle alerts, right, uh, through the automation tool. Same thing through Playwright. Right, we can also prepare. Right, we can also handle right alerts. Okay, so for example, there are some three different alerts. One is a simple alert where right a pop-up comes, we click OK, and next one is a confirmation alert where it asks for OK or cancel. So either we can click OK or cancel to handle this one. And next one is a prompt alert where it will ask for a text, right, and right, we enter some text and then we click OK, so it happens. Okay, so there are some right exceptions. Okay, so there are three alerts, right? So how to handle that in the Playwright with JavaScript, that is what we are seeing. How to confirm whether it's an alert, we can right click it, the alert, so then we can call it as an alert. Okay, so normally we call it as dialogues. There are three different dialogues. One is a simple, and next one is confirmation, and next one is prompt. Okay, now let's create a new right JavaScript file for that alert handling .js. So it makes us a JavaScript file. Okay, let's go to the previous code. Okay, and let's copy the previous code. Okay, same thing like we are doing in the past, right? You should able to write, like you should follow the previous video to get a better simple understanding of this one. Okay, let me delete the unwanted steps. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, right, first I'm going to import the Chromium package from the Playwright. I just might importing the first line. Next one is Playwright uses right await inbuilt waits, right, for each right operations which you are going to perform in the web application. Right calling the default waits, we use async, and then for like for example like for like clicking a button or entering some value, right, or handling some closing a browser or something, like whatever operation we are going to do in our application, we'll make to wait until it gets done. Okay, so now so for doing that we are adding this async here. And next one is, right, first I'm going to launch a Chromium browser in my right browser. As for that we are using constant browser equal to avoid chromium.launch. I'm launching in headless mode, so you should have, if we followed the from the first video, you can understand this one. So please follow the earlier videos to get a better understanding of this one. Okay, next one is, right, I'm going to create a new context here. So first we'll create a context, then we'll go for a page. Okay, context is, right, I'm just creating a separate Chrome profile for right doing some different operations like handling a cookies, right, take capturing the videos, right, we for hand doing different right profiles, right, we can use context here. Right, browser dot new context. I'm creating a new context here. Okay, now I'm just giving await context dot new page. Okay, from the context you create a new page. Right, so this new page is created in the separate Chrome profile. Okay, now we need to handle an alert here, right? So now I give page dot dialog. Okay, sorry, page dot on. Now let me add the dialog here. Okay, now I'll give async Okay, to wait for the dialog. Okay, equal to, and then I'll start a curly bracket here. So I'm going to handle all the dialogues. For example, simple dialogue, right, and prompt dialogue and confirmation dialogue. I'm just going to handle everything. I'm going to wait for all the each dialogue, so that I added this async here. Next one is console. I'm just making sure the dialogue is handled. For that, I'm just going to print it. Okay, I'm just confirming whether the dialogue is been right handled, it's been used. Okay, dialogue dot type. Next one is right. I'm just printing what the dialogue is handling. Like for example, normal, prompt or confirmation with dialogue, and I'm just also right trying to capture the message also. Let me copy it and paste here, and I'll just change. We need to print the message also, right? What message? For example, you want me to delete a file or not, right? That message will be captured. Okay. Now instead of type, we'll print that message also. Okay. Now, so it's going to wait and capture the. Alright, what is that dialogue? Alright, which alert is that? And it's going to capture it. Okay. Now, let's. Okay. So you did capture. It's going to capture this one, and then let me write. Uh, let me write handle use an if condition if dialog dot type equal to alert. So if checking whether it's a simple alert, okay. So first, right, we'll check the whether it's a simple alert. So if it is simple alert, what happens, right? It will go and click OK. So it's going to we are going to give accept method to accept it. Okay. So first I'm going to handle the simple alert. Wait, dialog dot accept. So accept method, it is used to click the OK button. Same thing which we normally use in the Selenium. Okay. So if I give accept, it's going to click the OK button. Else if, okay, dialog dot type. So first we handled the right normal alert. Right now we are going to check it's a confirmation alert. Okay. Now let me check confirm, right, whether it's a confirm alert. If it is a confirm alert, at what operation we want to do. Okay. Again, I'm just clicking OK button here. So I'll just what I'm doing is right. First time we handle this one. Now next time we are going to click it's confirmation alert. Then I'm going to click this one. Okay. So now I gave accept. For clicking OK, I just give dialog dot accept. Okay. Now let's again give an else if. Okay, again let me copy this one. Okay, now this time it's going to check whether it's a prompt alert. So I'm just handling all the three alerts here in this right video. Okay, so now I'm just going to do start a curly bracket. Now this time we are going to enter a value. For here, I'm just going here. I'm going to enter some value and click OK button. Okay. For that, what I'm going to do is write okay, dialog dot click accept. Okay. In the before accept, enter some value. Okay. Is testing academy. Okay. So enter some value and click the OK button. So what happens, right? We enter some value here, JS testing academy, and it will click OK. So for that we are writing dialog dot accept JS testing academy, and we are closing the bracket. Okay. Now I'm going to write close this one. So I started here. I need to end here. Okay. Then I am just giving a colon here. Okay. So first what I did is I'm just checking, I'm capturing the I'm just checking what type of dialogue is that, whether it's a prompt or right confirmation. So I'm just keeping it as a dialogue type, and then I'm going to get the error message and store it in the console, and I'm going to check in the if condition if dialog type is equal to alert, accept it. If dialog type is equal to confirm, accept it. If dialog type is a prompt, enter a value and accept it. Okay, so I'm just handling all three alerts here. Then I want to give an URL. Right, let me go here, copy the URL and paste here. So we need to go to this URL and click it. Okay. Now we need to do first click this button, right? Then only we can handle it. First we need to click here. Right. For that we need to write a code here. Right. First the button should be clicked. Right. Page. Okay. Dot click. Okay. I'm going to inspect it. Okay. So first normal alert. Okay. So there is a text click for JS alert. So now I'm going to give in single quotes text equal to click for JS alert. Okay. Now semicolon. First we need to click this and handle it. Okay. So first so it's clicking it and handling it. Now let's confirm. Take a right locator for the confirm alert. Right. I'm just again copying it. Okay. We need to write locator for confirmation alert. So I'll just click for JS confirm, and so it's going to search for text, click for JS confirm, and it's going to click it. Okay, so we clicked this one, we click this one. Now we need to click this one. Okay, let me go take an write text out of this one before the I'll copy and I'll paste this. Okay, and I will copy this one. Okay, Now it's first is right, it's clicking the right normal alert. Next is going to click the confirmation alert. Third is going to click the right prompt alert. Okay, so it's going to click it and it's going to go here and check what type of alert is that and print it, and then it's going to come to the condition, and then it's going to write do a check, right? If it is a simple alert, it's going to accept it. If it is a confirmation alert, it's going to again click the OK button. If you want to give cancel, you want to give dismiss, right? And if you want to cancel right button, you can give dismiss. If you want to enter a value, you use accept, and in that right, in that method, you type the whatever value you want to do. Okay. Now let's save this code. Okay, now let's try to run. Right, let's see what happens. Okay, alert and okay dot js. Okay, node alert handling dot js. Let me run it. So it launched the browser. It launched the URL now. Okay, it did handle, right. It clicked one, it handled, then it entered the right, it handled, it got the message, right. First one is it check dialog type is alert, it took the message. Next one is it handled dialog type confirm, it handled it. And next one is dialog type prompt, and it handled it. Okay, so this is how we can handle right dialogues or pop-ups with the help of Playwright, right, with JavaScript. Okay, so first what I did, I'll just revise it again. First, we're importing a Chromium browser. Then we are giving an async for using await in all the steps, whatever we do in the code. Next one is right. I'm just launching a Chromium browser, right in the headless mode false. Next one is I'm creating a new context for handling and dialog boxes. Okay, so I'm creating a new context where it creates a profile and handles only the dialog box in the profile. Okay, next one is in that Chrome profile I'm creating a new page, array constant page equal to await dot context dot new page. Next one is right, I'm just using checking what type of alert is that, and what is I'm just getting a message, dialog message, whatever it's just getting in that alert, I'm capturing it and printing it. And next one is I'm coming to the condition. If dialog type is alert, just click the OK button. If dialog type is confirmation, click the OK button. If it is a prompt, enter the value and click OK button. Okay, suppose I want to cancel it, I can give dismiss. Okay, so if I want to click the cancel button, I can click dismiss. Okay, so then I've added the URL which I'm going to launch, and then page dot click, I mean located the button, whatever the button which navigates to the alert, I clicked it. And then on his confirmation I clicked it. And then this one, prompt alert, I clicked it and wait for 5 seconds, then I close the browser. Okay, so hope this video is useful for you. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Continue to follow the series, but one request from my side, please go through the previous videos of step by step, so that you are understanding this video in a better way. Okay, so thank you. Meet you soon in next part of video. Bye.